In the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, the world of music creation has witnessed a revolutionary transformation. One of the most exciting developments in this space is the rise of AI-powered music composition tools. And leading the charge is AIVA, the artificial intelligence virtual artist. With the ability to create professional quality music in mere minutes, AIVA is democratizing the music industry, allowing even those without formal training to produce stunning compositions. This article will explore how AIVA is revolutionizing music creation, how you can use it to create beats quickly, and what this means for the future of music production. What is AIVA? AIVA is an AI-driven music composition software that was originally designed to assist professional musicians and content creators. Since its inception in 2016, AIVA has evolved to cater to a much broader audience, from novice musicians and hobbyists to professionals looking for a fast, efficient way to generate music. AIVA operates as a cloud-based platform, allowing users to create, edit, and download their compositions without the need for powerful hardware or complex setups. The AI behind AIVA has been trained on an extensive database of music from different genres, styles, and historical periods. This training enables the platform to generate original compositions that span classical, jazz, pop, and electronic music, among other genres. How does AIVA work? At its core, AIVA uses machine learning algorithms and deep neural networks to analyze musical patterns and styles. It breaks down the structure of compositions, identifying elements such as melody, harmony, rhythm, and dynamics to produce new, coherent musical pieces. Users can interact with AIVA in a simple, user-friendly interface where they select the style, instruments, and even specific moods they want in their composition. From there, AIVA generates a track that can be customized further or used as is. One of the main advantages of AIVA is its ability to create music incredibly fast. What might take a human composer hours or even days to produce can be accomplished by AIVA in a matter of minutes. This speed doesn't come at the expense of quality. AIVA's compositions are sophisticated enough to be used in professional settings, from film scores to video games, advertisements, and personal projects. The power of AI in music creation. The use of AI in music creation is not entirely new, but AIVA has taken it to a new level. Traditional music composition is a meticulous process that involves understanding music theory, mastering instruments, and developing a unique style over years of practice. With AI tools like AIVA, that learning curve is drastically reduced, empowering more people to enter the field of music production. For aspiring artists and content creators who may not have formal training in music, AI tools like AIVA offer a chance to produce high-quality music without the barriers of time, cost, or technical know-how. AI democratizes music creation by making it accessible to a broader audience, enabling anyone with a creative vision to bring their ideas to life. But how exactly can AIVA help you create beats in minutes? Step-by-step guide to creating beats with AIVA. Creating beats with AIVA is an intuitive process. Below is a step-by-step guide to getting started. 1. Sign up and choose a plan. To start using AIVA, you'll need to sign up for an account on their website. AIVA offers both free and paid plans. While the free plan allows you to experiment with basic features, paid plans offer more advanced functionalities, such as commercial use rights, higher quality downloads, and additional customization options. For most users, the free plan is enough to explore the platform and create personal projects. 2. Select a genre or style. Once you're logged in, you'll be prompted to select a genre or style of music. AIVA covers a wide range of styles, including classical, pop, jazz, and electronic music. If you're specifically interested in creating beats, you may want to choose from electronic music genres like hip-hop, EDM, or trap, which focus heavily on rhythm and percussion. 3. Customize the instruments. AIVA allows you to choose which instruments will be used in your composition. For beat making, the drums and bass are essential. You can also add synthesizers, pads, or other instruments that suit the vibe you're going for. The platform offers a wide variety of virtual instruments that sound professional, adding a polished touch to your beats. 4. Adjust the tempo and mood. One of the standout features of AIVA is the ability to tailor the mood and tempo of your track. Whether you want an upbeat, energetic vibe for a dance track or a slower, moodier beat for a lo-fi hip-hop mix, AIVA lets you adjust these elements before generating the composition. This helps ensure that the beat matches the creative vision you have in mind. 5. Generate the track. After selecting your style, instruments, tempo, and mood, it's time to let AIVA work its magic. Within minutes, AIVA will generate a fully composed track. You can listen to the track, make adjustments if necessary, and either refine certain aspects or proceed with the final product. The process is incredibly fast, allowing you to experiment with different beats in a short amount of time. 6. Download and use. Once you're happy with your beat, you can download it in various formats such as MP3, UAV, or MIDI. For those on a paid plan, higher quality downloads are available, which is important if you're planning to use the beats in professional settings. From here, you can incorporate the beat into your project, whether it's a YouTube video, podcast, or even a full album. Benefits of using AIVA for beat making. AIVA offers several advantages for beat making, especially when compared to traditional methods of music composition. 1. Time efficiency. AIVA can generate a beat in minutes, significantly speeding up the production process. This is particularly useful for content creators who need background music for videos, podcasts, or other projects on a tight schedule. 2. Cost effectiveness. Hiring a professional producer to create custom beats can be expensive. AIVA offers a more affordable alternative, especially for those who may not have the budget for studio time or professional services. 3. User-friendly interface. AIVA's interface is designed to be intuitive and accessible, even for those without musical training. This opens up the world of music production to beginners, allowing them to create high-quality music without a steep learning curve. 4. Creative freedom. Despite being AI-driven, AIVA offers a high degree of customization. Users can tweak the composition to fit their specific needs, whether that means altering the tempo, changing instruments, or adjusting the mood. This ensures that the final product feels personalized and aligned with the user's vision. And 5. Inspiration for creators. Sometimes artists hit a creative block. AIVA can serve as a source of inspiration by generating fresh, original music that can spark new ideas. Even if you don't use the AI-generated track in its entirety, it can act as a starting point for your own creative process. The rise of AIVA and other AI-powered music composition tools raises interesting questions about the future of the music industry. Will AI replace human musicians and composers? Probably not. Instead, AI is more likely to serve as a tool that enhances human creativity. By automating the more tedious aspects of music production, such as arranging, composing, or mixing, AI allows artists to focus on the more expressive and creative aspects of their work. This could lead to a surge in creativity, with more people able to participate in music creation than ever before. For professional musicians, AI tools like AIVA can be used to streamline the workflow and save time, allowing them to produce more content or explore new creative directions. For amateurs and hobbyists, AI breaks down barriers, making it easier to experiment with music without the need for formal training. While AI-driven music creation offers many advantages, it also raises challenges. One of the primary concerns is the issue of originality. AI-generated music is based on patterns and data it has been trained on, which means that in some cases, it may produce works that are reminiscent of existing music. This can lead to questions about copyright and intellectual property. Additionally, there's the question of the human touch. Music is often deeply personal, and while AI can replicate many aspects of music theory, it cannot replicate the emotional depth and unique perspective that a human artist brings to the table. The AI music revolution is here, and AIVA is at the forefront of this exciting movement. By making music creation accessible, fast, and cost-effective, AIVA is empowering a new generation of artists and content creators to produce high-quality beats and compositions in minutes. Whether you're an aspiring musician, a content creator, or someone who just loves to experiment with sound, AIVA offers a powerful platform to explore your creative potential. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more groundbreaking developments in the world of music, further blurring the line between technology and art.